August 12th, 2018. Just a very brief update. The 2 rows here are Hopi Blue Corn. For those who know, yes, those are planted too close together. I planted them together very tight this year, more trying to aim at building soils and just carry a seed stock over. We'll see how they do. They are starting to go into tassel. Not super even. That's because this soil isn't really stabilized and up to par yet. And then this is the popcorn. This is a popcorn that I've never grown before. This is given to me by my friend Monica, who comes and helps me on Fridays usually. And so she shared this with me, and having tried the Black Dakota popcorn and finding that those ears are so small that you don't get a tremendous amount of yield out of them, and having seen the ears from the popcorn that she gave me, I thought I would try this. I think this will be a more productive popcorn, and I really liked the look of it, the color of it. It's a multicolored, I think it's called a rainbow. I actually selected my seed stock targeted more toward the red kernels because I really like the color of the red kernels. So a higher percentage of these is red than the multicolor. And I guess I'll just show you real briefly the Delicata Squash. The ones that survived, the woodchucks and rabbits and such, are actually doing fairly well now. And we got some squash starting to come on, and we got more flowers coming on. And the vines are starting to really shoot out. In fact, I had to steer this one back in here yesterday, and you can see more baby-sized squash coming on the vines. And I thought I saw a fairly large one in here. It must be on one of these other plants. But you can see that they're taking off, and we'll get at least some yield out of these, and I'll be able to use these for seed stock for next year. So that's also fairly exciting. So just wanted to do a very quick update on this plot. I rarely get down here with the camera to share it, and I didn't want to miss too much of the season and not have you get to see the evolution. So hope someone finds this interesting. Don't forget to like or subscribe, and if you want to get the videos right away when they come out, don't forget to click the notifications icon. Thanks for watching the Farmacy Seeds Network.